Now, for question 6, we are given these options. And the question says, a child standing on a bridge throws a rock straight down. The rock leaves the child's hand at t equals 0 seconds. Which of the graphs shown here best represents the velocity of the stone as a function of time? Now, a child is standing on a bridge and throws a rock straight down. From this sentence, I know that the rock is going to begin, or the graph is going to begin at the point 0, 0. So right off the bat, I know I can cross out these 3 options. Now I must look at these 2. This graph represents a constant velocity, which means that the acceleration is also constant. However, this graph does not show a constant velocity, which means that the acceleration is also not constant. So, if a rock is being thrown down, straight down, it's not being thrown up, it's not being thrown, with any force acting on it, we know that it's going to be constant. It's going to go down at a constant rate because gravity is constant. So the answer was B. And this one, the professor explained to me at the end of class.